peatu peale Anker Kroomi.
Boss helistas, meie kõrvits pandi välja.
Täpselt õiged Paul.
Me peame selle tagasi saama, boss tahtis ju kõrvitsa pirukaid teha.
Täpselt nii, sõidame autoga Reiko garaaži ette ja võtame omale kuuluvad tagasi.
Aga kust me auto saame?
See on juba lahendatud.
Millega me sõidame siis?
Ma sõidan uunikumiga.
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, my life be like, yeah, my life be like times like these that make me say, yeah.
On küll uunikum. Selliseid enam ei tehta. Noh, hüppad ka peale või?
Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Find a comfort in the zones, a class of bones I get loose to. A mountain.
Noh, mis plaan on?
Me lähme võtame endale kuuluva tagasi. Me lähme Reiko juurde ja anname temale ja ta kängile normid vastu nina.
Hea point.
Noh, siin ongi meie kõrvits.
Türa, tulete minu kõrvitsat võtma või?
Tegelikult see kõrvits kuulub meile ju.
Paneme joonele, võite saab kõrvitsa.
Valmis? Valmis?
Kõrvits on sinu.
Naine on sul ka nüüd minu.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.